and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing what is in my July 2020 BoxyCharm box, and I'm also going to be doing a makeup tutorial featuring all of the products in this month's box. So if you want to see that, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing in the box is this pack of Grace and Stella eye masks. These are anti-wrinkle and energizing eye masks. So they come in a set of 12 in this cute little box, and these do come in the box individually wrapped. They're a really pretty gold color. Next up, we have the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. This is valued at $28. Mine came in the shade Dark Brunette, which typically with brow pencils, I do choose a color that's a little bit lighter. That's just my preference, but I will try this out and we'll see how it goes. Next up, I have the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster. So let me just read what the card says this is. So this is a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. This is valued at $135, making it the most expensive thing in this month's BoxyCharm, and I cannot wait to try this out. Next up is this Dose Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. So this is a graphic eyeliner that allows you to make a thick or thin line depending on how much pressure you use, and it retails for $21. And lastly is the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. This palette features 12 pressed pigments and retails for $36. And here's a little sneak peek of the inside. It's such a pretty palette. All right, so that is everything that came in my July 2020 BoxyCharm box. So now let's get into the tutorial of me using all these products. I'm starting off with the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Masks. I like to apply these, leave them on for about 15 minutes, and then when I peel them off, I just pat the remaining serum into the under eye area, and so far I'm really liking this product. Next up, I took the 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster and applied that all over my face, and I will say that the rest of my face makeup went on really smoothly on top of this booster. From there, I tried out the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, and I was honestly really surprised by how much I liked this product. The tip of it is flat, making it really easy to create thin hair-like strokes, making your brows look natural even though they are filled in. From there, it was time to do my eyes, and I took that Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette by Pure Cosmetics that came in the box, and I took the shade Photo Op, which is a beautiful terracotta shade, and applied that in the crease and then blended it all the way upward toward my brows. Then I took the shade Instaworthy, which is a pretty dusty rose shade, and blended that only in my crease with a little bit smaller crease brush. From there, I decided I wanted to make the look a little more smoky looking, so I took the dark brown shade in the palette called Onset and applied it to the outer corners of both of my eyes. And once that was blended in, I went in with the shade Pure Bliss from the palette, which is a really sparkly eyeshadow. It's so gorgeous, and blended it in on both of my eyelids. I think that this may be my favorite shade in the palette. It's just so beautiful. Made sure everything was nicely blended, and from there I went in with the Dose Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. Now normally I'm a gel eyeliner type of girl, but this graphic eyeliner pen has changed my mind. I think it's one of the best ones I've ever tried. It was so easy to do a winged eyeliner look with this pen, and usually that is not the experience that I have with eye pens, so you definitely need to try this one out. And it did take me a little bit of time to do this just because I'm so used to using gel eyeliner, but once I got to the second eye, it was so much faster, and like I said before, I think that everyone needs to try this out because this pen was really, really good, even with applying it over a glittery eyeshadow. And that was the completed makeup look. I honestly am really liking everything that came in this month's BoxyCharm and have a feeling that I'm going to be using these items a lot. Alright, so that's the completed makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you want to see more makeup tutorials like this one, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back really soon with a new video. Bye!